Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically switch teams when you did the quiz to know if you're team Alpha or Omega in the latest Valorant quest challenge event. I don't know what to call it. Challenge, I guess. Go to challenges and go to Valorant and explore challenges here and select this one and then join challenge, and you are going to tell your you're going to choose your platform. Press join, and it says which team do you want to join, Alpha or Omega. So you can select this now. Unfortunately, you cannot switch it back once you've chosen one, so you have to make sure you have chosen the team you want to be in if you just want to choose now, or you can still do the quiz if you'd like to. So it says your decision will be final and cannot be changed. Choose wisely because it's going to automatically input your account to that team. So they will be able to then register it, register your points, your frags, etc. So I'm just going to start quiz, but again, you can choose here. So let's start quiz. I'm just going to randomly pick here. Okay. There. And then it says, we think you're right for Omega. You can still choose if you want to switch to Alpha. So it says, the choice is still yours to make. Will you stay with your aligned faction? It says, yes, join Omega. Or no, switch to Alpha. Your choice is final. It cannot be changed again. You cannot switch it after you make your final decision here. So I'm just going to, for instance, switch to Alpha. And as you can see, I am not able to select again, but they will still give you an option if you do take that quiz. So yeah, don't quickly pick a team. I've seen a lot of comments saying, oh, I cannot go back and change it. Unfortunately, you cannot. I mean, they did state it twice already there for you guys to see. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!